Okay, so tonight I'm going to show you how to make a tree out of pipe cleaner or cure pipe. This tree is going to be festive. It will be red, green, silver, and gold. All the Christmas colors will be in it, but it will look like a regular tree. Okay, so you're going to need 24 pipe cleaners. You will need 4 groups of 6 pipe cleaners or cure pipes to make your tree. We only have 4 colors, so we ended up doing 2 more, red and green. Take a set of 4, and we're going to make sure they're all lined up. And then we're going to twist it. So you're only going to twist it halfway, like that. And then you're going to leave the top untwisted. You're going to do the same thing with the rest of your pipe cleaners. Okay, and here is the next one. All done. Okay, last one. Okay, that's it. All twisted. So our next step is going to be to take these 4 together. Make sure they're all even at the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to take each one and then we're going to bend it so that our tree can stand. We're going to do that with the other ones. I'm going to bend each one at the same amount. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that they're each facing a different direction. Like that. Like an X. Okay, so our next step is going to be to twist all these together. Halfway up. That. You have to play around and push down. As you can see, it's standing. Okay. So now what we're going to do, you're going to take each pipe cleaner and twist it around your finger. Like so. And then let go. And make a twirl. And we're going to keep doing that over and over. Each pipe cleaner. Twist them any way you want. That is how you make a festive tree. Do any color pipe cleaners you want. You can use 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4, it doesn't matter. And there is your festive holiday tree. One for Jay, I made it for him. And here is Jay's holiday tree, right next to his other tree.
That.
You like it?
Yeah. That's very neat.
It's very neat, huh?
That's neat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye, my friends.